Hey guys, enjoy this virtual tour here for a second while we get ready, and I'm going to show you all about how to order online. With the times the way they are, we are trying our best to make you comfortable and happy at your home. So we now are offering the ability to come and do curbside pickup and not even have to leave your car. So we want to introduce our new curbside pickup with the availability of, we have 4 different packages plus the customization of ordering kind of whatever you want. With the order online packages, you're going to have the option to order a succulent kit, you're going to have the option to order a flower kit, you're going to have the option to order a veggie kit, or a really cool butterfly kit. And you'll see that as you go through the website, different links, all the explanations. And for all the people out there that want a little help with deciding on what they should do, you can just call in and do our call-in service, making your kit customized and tailored to your yard. We're also offering porch side delivery. So if you live within 6 miles, it's only 20 bucks. And if you live within 15 miles, we're only charging $50. That's a special deal for all you guys right now that's going on. We're just trying to help out. So as you guys get to placing your order, all you have to do is fill out the information below. If you don't see what you want, write us a note at the bottom of the form. Once you submit your form, you'll get a call back from us confirming if we have it or don't have it. And when we call back, we'll also go over things that we can substitute at that point. Simple, easy, and ready to go.